This is a Sub-Zero 650 model. Perfect shape. It is very clean condition. There is a small little ding here. I have to show you with the different angles. It could be covered with any kind of refrigerator magnet or some, or we can even move the Sub-Zero sign over this dented area and it will completely disappear. If that is a big deal. Excuse me. This refrigerator comes locally for local buyers in Phoenix, Arizona with 6 months warranty. It covers parts and labor. If you have any questions, give me a call.